Alright, well I haven't done anything with any of the computer stuff really in the last little bit here. I've had this thing sitting here running for a while, and it's quite slow to boot up because of the old hard drives. Um, I don't even know what I'm using it for. I think, didn't we find some extra RAM or something like that? Um, yeah, but I think the problem is they were like all like 2 and 4 gigabyte sticks. So you can go 32 on this one. Um, I don't know if we want to put the video card back in it or not. I mean, it works just fine without one. So I'm not gaming on it. And it seems like for Linux it actually does better without it, because I am running into video. So this computer has Fedora on it and Windows. So let me go here. We'll restart. And by default, I think it should probably boot into Fedora. We'll just look and see. Nope, it's going to go to Windows. I think what it is I don't like restarting it when it's already doing that, because after a couple of times it actually screws up. So we got to go delete, and I forget what the boot menu is. We gotta go to easy mode. Oh, wait. Then we could just go to boot. So, do we really want fast boot and disabled? I don't think so. This thing is freaking slow. Okay. Boot, boot, boot. So we got Windows as the first thing. So what we need to do here is put Fedora. And then I think once we do that, it should work. Okay. See what it does. Yeah, okay. I do like Fedora. It's based off of Red Hat. I don't know if Red Hat is like staying out of the controversy, but there's been quite a bit of politics lately with Linux and all sorts of stuff, and just a whole lot of politics. I'm not going to get into it, but I do try to stick with distributions that stay neutral on politics. I'll use whatever I need to use, but at the same time, like, I don't want to be dealing with extremist people asserting themselves in an operating system if I don't have to. I don't even remember the damn password. Oh, God. Alright, there's Fedora. So I believe this is Fedora 42. I haven't really used it a lot. I got OBS Studio on here, Rhythm Box, some other stuff, Chirp. But it's just pretty clean. I really don't want to use GNOME, but it's easier for me to have the desktop like this, okay? And I can look at this and say, well, I know what I have here. You know, and you can do a deeper dive in some of these, but everything is pretty visible, you know? Whereas, like with the Windows experience, you've got to go into the menu, you know? We do have, like, you know, the settings menu and all that, but with GNOME, it's just kind of easier for me. You have some key things down here. You know, your software thing and all that. But it's not hard to find stuff for me. I mean, I don't know. Other people say that, oh, we don't like GNOME. You know, they prefer KDE. And I think the reason that they like KDE is because it's like Windows, but that's what I like about Linux. It's not like Windows. It's different. So, you know, being able to just go into here and see, you know, what's all going on. Look, plus I can see that desktop over there is doing work. But, and you would scroll over as you get more stuff, you know. So, this to me is easier. I mean, I just think it is. Everything's right there. I don't have to dig into a file structure folder.